Welcome back people for another episode of Vic's Projects, and today on VP Shorts we're going to be sorting out a hole. So a while back we replaced the bent seats in the back of the Jag because the old ones were just absolutely ruined. These aren't in too much better shape, but they are in better shape. However, a little hole has developed. It started off as a small one, and I think over time it's got slightly bigger. So today we're going to do a very simple, quick and easy fix. And all we need is an old bit of leather, some leather glue and some scissors. So let's crack into it. So first things first, we're going to measure up and cut the old leather so we've got a patch slightly bigger than the piece that we want to repair. There we go, nothing fancy to it. That's that guy. The next thing, we stuff it in. So I guess you figured out the next bit. Now that we've got the patch underneath, all we're going to do is glue it down. So just press it all down, nice and flat, wipe away the excess, and then I'm just going to put an old hoodie just to give it some pressure, just while that glue sets, or it will just fall off. So there we go, it's all dry now, nice and easy repair. Yes, it's not concourse, but at least it stops it getting any worse. So thanks for hanging out with me today, and we'll see you next time on Vic's Projects.